What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this new video on the Aptos and the APT coin. Wanted to do a full technical and fundamental overview and update on that for all of you. So that's what we're going to do. We're really going to do a deep dive into Aptos and also into the technicals so that hopefully you're as prepared as possible. But yeah, let's get right into it. I do want to say that before that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, including on Aptos, then check out the links in either the pinned comment or the description. There you'll find trade results, but also instructions on how you can join. So first of all, I always like to take a look at fundamentals. We obviously know the fundamentals in the market. First of all, they're still very risky. A lot of the bullish momentum in the last 24 hours for Bitcoin was caused by inflation rates being relatively positive, but there's still a lot of economic events kind of coming in the upcoming few days. So it's pretty unstable, but overall we're pretty bullish. Aptos itself has been very, very bearish for a long time. Up until last Sunday, when we all of a sudden received quite a lot of bullish momentum. Then we started quite a big rally. As you can see, we had $14 as our main resistance. And Aptos itself, if we take a look at the chain, you can actually see that we have not been doing that well. The total value locked has been in a downtrend since practically the beginning of February. The daily transactions have significantly declined since January and February, and the daily active addresses are in a downtrend as well. So Aptos itself is not doing that amazingly, but we all know how strong it can be sometimes technically. Usually, I have to say that it's not always the case, but sometimes and quite often there's also quite a lot of manipulation with Aptos, and it also seems to be the case right now. If you take a look at the sources of the volume, some of these sources, like a lot of volume from BYBIT and from Hotcoin, that's just a red flag for cryptos. It hasn't hurt Aptos that much in the past, but still, I think it's something you should know. So if we take a look at Aptos right now, what you can see is that, as I said, we rallied, we broke above 12.5. That's our last bullish breakout, or the level around 12.5. And then we found resistance at this major 382 fib and the $14 resistance level. After that, we found quite a lot of resistance there, like 2-3 times, something like that. And we also afterwards kind of respected 13.8. So that's still part of that $14 resistance level, but a little bit lower. So I mean, first of all, I do want to say that if Bitcoin right now is able to get towards 26,000 again and to 27,000 for whatever reason, Aptos is going to follow that. Aptos is going to break above $14, get to 15, and probably all the way up to 16 and 16.5. All right, that can just happen. If the market is volatile and unpredictable like that, that is just a possibility. However, I think that's not the most likely scenario. I think it's more likely that Bitcoin stabilizes. That's also what we have seen in the last 24 hours. And I think Aptos has a lot of resistance right now. So that's why I think that Aptos will drop down a little bit in that area which we are in right now. There's major support at around 12.8. I think we'll find support there, but eventually I think we'll drop down all the way to this level around 12.5 and 12.6. And then from there, I think we can actually find support and start testing $14. And if Bitcoin stays bullish like this, I think we'll also break above $14. And then from there we'll see again. I'll make a new update on that, because frankly I just have to know the circumstances in the market at that point of time. But that's what I expect for Aptos eventually. So if you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.